Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy winter. I hope you're all enjoying your December and your holiday season. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a fun, creative twist on a holiday classic. We're making gingerbread parfaits with a white chocolate buttercream. This is great if you've already made cupcakes for a previous holiday like I did with Thanksgiving and you want to make more cupcakes, but you don't want them to look like cupcakes, so this is a fun way to do it. Hope you guys enjoy the video and don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you want to catch up on more videos. So let's kick off winter, put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking. To make the cake part, we're going to make some gingerbread cupcakes. You'll need a half a cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1 large egg at room temperature, a half a cup of milk at room temperature, a half a cup of molasses, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice. To get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prep your cupcake pan, then set aside. In an electric mixer, beat the brown sugar and butter together on medium speed until creamy. Make sure to scrape down the bowl. Next, add in the egg and mix until combined. Add in your milk, vanilla, and molasses on medium speed. The mixture will look piecey and not fully combined, but that's okay. In a separate bowl, sift or whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and allspice. Slowly pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients with your mixer running on low speed until everything is combined. Scrape down the bowl and pour the batter into your cupcake pan. Bake them in the oven for 19 to 21 minutes, then allow them to cool. Now let's get started on the buttercream. We're going to be making a white chocolate buttercream. For this, you'll need 2 sticks of unsalted butter softened, 12 ounces of white chocolate, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To get started, chop up your white chocolate, then melt them either in the microwave or using the double boiler method. Stir occasionally until it has completely melted, then let it cool for about 1 to 2 minutes. In your electric mixer, cream the butter on medium speed. Add the cool melted white chocolate, beat on low speed until combined. Gradually add in the powdered sugar and vanilla and beat until combined and smooth. Then mix it for about 3 to 4 minutes until fluffy. Now it's time to assemble the parfaits. In a separate bowl, break down the cupcakes until you have gingerbread cupcake crumbs. Take your clear cups and pour in the first layer of cupcake crumbs. Next, pipe a layer of the white chocolate buttercream. I used a star piping tip to add some texture for these parfaits. Add your next layer of crumbs, then pipe a nice layer of buttercream to top the cup. Insert a cream-filled cookie straw and sprinkle some cocoa powder to finish them off. Now you have a creative, fancy dessert based on a holiday classic.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know when the next video is. Also, share this video with your friends and family this holiday season and tell them to subscribe as well. It is totally free to do so, and we have a lot of fun on this channel.
If any of you recreate the gingerbread parfaits or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your gingerbread desserts and have a happy winter. Bye!